What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and today I have some new pickups, and as you guys can see by the title, I don't know what I'm gonna name it. I'm trying to think of a good name because this video is crazy, but yeah, I have two new pickups that came out last week, and they finally came in and I have them in hand and I'm excited. This was probably one of the best sneaker pickup of this year so far, honestly. This and the Adidas Wave Runners. Those Wave Runners, I got them from retail. It was amazing. I got those for retail and I can't believe I got them. But now this right here, I can't even believe I got them either. It was crazy, and I'll show you, but I said I got two. So for the first one, it's something quick and easy, nothing really special, and also I already unboxed these. I'm sorry, I just couldn't wait. Like I said, it was crazy and I just wanted to make sure that I actually got them, and I did. So yeah, there's no knife unboxings in this video because I just couldn't wait. I'm sorry. But for the first pickup, these ones came out Saturday, I believe, and you know, they came out 10 o'clock. I was up. I was like, why not try it out? Because I knew these were gonna sell out, but I was just like, why not? If I get them, I guess I'll resell them, because I really have no use of having these. Well, I mean, like right now I don't have a use of having these. And come in this Nike box right here. At first when I open the box, I was like, what the heck? I thought it was like a pair of Nike slides in here, because this box is like a rectangle. But yeah, there's no slides in here. And I'm surprised that it came in this box and not the special box. You'll see what I mean. But yeah, red Nike box. Yeah. And for the first pickup, we have these. What size is this? This is a 9C. We have the Sean Weatherspoon Air Max 197 in the toddler edition. And these right here, look at this, look at that, they're small, they're so tiny. And yeah, I mean, I got them for retail. These were only $100. I knew they were gonna sell out, so I was like, why not? If I get them, I'll resell them, because I'm not having a baby anytime soon. So yeah, I mean, you know, the reseller in me took over. And there is a couple differences from this and the men's pair. I don't have a pair of the men's pair. I wish I did. I tried to go for them, but I took an L on those. I'm not really trying to pay resell on them. Resell is like $600-700 around there, and yeah, I'm not trying to break my bank. But yeah, these are dope. Corduroy all over the upper. This right here, you can actually doesn't come off. It's not a patch, just like in there. I know in the men's pair you can actually take that off, but on this one you can't. And then on the inside, well, let's see if you guys can see this. There's that smiley face in there. This is actually like printed on there, and I believe in the men's pair it's like embroidered in there or something. I don't know. And then, you know, it's pretty much the same thing as the men's pair, except it's smaller. And then in the back you got the, if you can focus camera. Well, I don't know if you guys can see that because it's stitched in white. It says VA to LA. It still says that on the toddler pair. And yeah, the inside, I like the inside. It's like soft. It looks like a satin. Like it's like very soft. I like that. It's like a satin kind of feel all over, all inside. Even the insoles has that like velvet feel. But yeah, I mean, like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. They look dope though, not gonna lie. I know they're like small and stuff, but like this would be like a cool little display piece. Who knows? I don't know. The bottom right there. But yeah, I mean, like, I don't have no use of these. I might sell them. I don't know. Who knows? We'll see how the resale market is on these. But yeah, this is my first pickup right here. These Air Max 197 Sean Wotherspoon Tyler edition. And yeah, I wish these were my size, but unfortunately they're not. I think I can fit them though, so yeah, no. And on to the main event of this video right here. The reason why you guys clicked the video. I'm just speechless. I actually got these bad boys for retail. I didn't pay no resale. I got the receipt right here and everything. Your boy got lucky. And let me just tell you a little short story about how I got them. So these came out Friday. You know, Friday, everybody, you saw pictures everywhere. Everybody knew that these were dropping. Everybody wanted them. Everybody, and their grandmas, their moms, their dog, everybody wanted this shoe right here. And obviously it's a raffle. And so this came out Friday, 10 a.m. Eastern time. You only had 10 minutes to enter this raffle. After 10 minutes, it's over. You can't enter it. If you don't enter it, your, like, I guess, name can be pulled out. So 10 a.m. woke up, entered the raffle, waited 10 minutes, and then that's when I was just waiting. People on Twitter, on Instagram was posting pictures that they took an L, they didn't get them, and I was just waiting to see if I get them or not. After the 10 minutes is over, you know, a couple minutes, 5 minutes, 10 more minutes, I'm just waiting to see if I got the L or not. I get a notification on my phone that Nike took money away from my PayPal account. I use PayPal. For people that don't know, I use PayPal, so I got a notification from PayPal that Nike took away $250 from me. After that, like, I didn't believe it, because sometimes Nike usually takes money from me, but I don't get the shoe, but they give me the money back. But you know, I guess it's like a glitch or something. So I wasn't like you know, I wasn't, how do you say it? I wasn't like 100% sure that I actually got these. So I wanted like a confirmation email and everything just to make sure that I actually got these. And I go back to the Nike sneaker app to check, and it said purchased. And then a couple minutes later, it said that I purchased them and I got them. I got the confirmation email, I got everything, and I was just hyped. Like, I couldn't believe it. Like, I actually got them. And you're probably wondering, what did I get for retail? And first, let me show you an email that I got from Nike. Make sure it doesn't show any information. This is what I got. This is the email I got from Nike. If it focuses. Can you focus? Hold on. Maybe if I turn down my brightness. Yeah, there you go. It says got 'em. And what is that? What is that right there? What is that? What is that right there? I got them. I was just hyped. And just to let you guys know, I've entered in so many raffles. Like, I entered at least 50 raffles and I never ever win. I always enter and always get that L. And for some reason this time I actually took the W and I got them for retail. And I'm just hyped. Like, I actually couldn't even believe it. Like, I actually won a raffle, a Nike raffle, and it was on these shoes right here. You guys see that? You guys see that? What does that say? Swoosh. Like, oh, man, I was just so hyped that I actually got these. I was just speechless. Like, I couldn't believe it. Off-white Nike shoebox, Oregon, USA. What else? There goes that label right there. And I got them in my size. Like, I couldn't believe them. I couldn't believe it. I was just like shocked that I actually got these. The box is inside out, like all off-white shoes are. You got that off-white paper right there. And we have, let me just take the shoes out the box. Oh, man, I still can't believe I got these. The off-white Vapor Maxes. I actually got these. I won these from the freaking Nike sneaker wrap. This is my first time winning the Nike sneaker wrap. Like I said, I've entered in so many Nike sneaker wrap raffles and I don't even win. I always take the L, and for some reason, you know, the sneaker guys were like with me or something, and I won. I got these. Like, I won them off the raffle. Like, no BS. I got the freaking receipt and everything. I got the email. Like, I actually got these. Oh my. This is no bullshit right here. Like, I actually got them. This is the real deal. Oh man. Now, there is apparently rumors saying that there's gonna be a white pair of these dropping as well. I don't know when. But yeah, I'm glad to have these. When I saw pictures, you know, there was pictures everywhere on the internet of these shoes, and in pictures I thought they were dope. Black, you can't go wrong. And then that clear bubble. I know after a time the bubble's gonna like start yellowing, but let's go like quick details real quick. This upper right here is like a mesh. You guys can kind of see the tissue paper right there inside there. It's like white. So like if you wear white socks, you're gonna be able to see it. Like, look at that. You can kind of see that white. So yeah, there's like little holes in there. The Nike swoosh is like stitched in. You can see the stitches and everything. You got that orange tab right there, Air, and you obviously got the zip tie, the off-white, their signature pretty much. And what else? Inside the shoe, you got that off-white for Nike Air Vapor Max, Beaverton, Oregon, USA, 2017. And you also got that clear Nike swoosh right there stitched on there. And I actually like this Nike swoosh. It's like clear, but it pops. You know what I mean? And obviously you got this made in China. And your shoelaces obviously say shoelaces. So, you know, just in case you forget what these are called, it says it right on there, shoelaces. And then the tongue, you got that Nike, what is that, sportswear made in China. And then the tongue is actually, you can actually see the foam. So kind of like on the first Vapor Maxes, it's kind of like cut off, and you can actually see the foam. It still has that on this pair, like right there. You can kind of see that it's like foam. And obviously it's a Vapor Max, so you got your bottom, a Vapor Max bottom, all that air inside the bubbles. I like to call these the bubbles. And yeah, just a Vapor Max bottom with off-white. And this is the other pair right here. Yo, these are just dope. I know it's all black, but those clear and touches on the shoe just makes it pop. Like the clear bubble sole and the clear Nike swoosh that they added on there. And then they did come with a pair of shoelaces. They came with blue. I don't know why blue, but I mean, they came with it. And then obviously on your insole, it says right there, the 10 with the off-white logo with the arrows. And bro, I can't believe I got these for retail and in my size. This is just crazy. Probably one of my best pickups of 2018. I almost said 17. Best pickup of 2018 right here. We're in 2018, right? I'm not tripping. And then after I got them, I've seen people on Twitter, on Instagram, posting their L's, and I was just there like, bruh, I took a fucking dub. Like, this shit is crazy. This is actually, and this is right there, Vapor Max, blacked out. If you guys can kind of see that. It says Vapor Max. It won't focus, but it says Vapor Max right there. And yeah, this is actually my second pair of off-white shoes. This is the other pair of off-white shoes that I have, the off-white Hyper Dunks. Obviously I switched it for the black laces so it can pop more. And yeah, man, but for this one I actually paid resale. I believe I paid like $350. It wasn't that bad. I actually got these for a steal, and like if you look now, these like probably like 500, 400 maybe. It was just crazy. I took a big W on these, and I'm happy that I did. So shout out to the Nike sneaker app for choosing your boy. And yeah, man, that is gonna be it for this video. I mean, I don't know what else to say. Off-white Vapor Maxes, I just can't stop staring at these. So yeah guys, that is going to be it for this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new for more videos like this in the future, and cheers to more dubs in the future. Oh, and by the way, I actually did take another W. I got a early pair of sneakers coming in tomorrow, so hopefully I'll make that video over the weekend and post it up sometime next week. But I'm excited to see them in person. And actually today I checked the Nike sneaker app because I got them early, so I checked the Nike sneaker app and they're not even there no more. So I don't even know if they're still dropping or what. Like, I don't even know. I believe it was supposed to drop April 24th or something like that. And yeah, I checked the Nike sneaker app and they're not even there no more. So I don't know what's going on with that release, but I mean, I got a pair, so video dropping next week, so stay tuned for an early review, early look of that shoe. So yeah, I am out, guys, and let me know, did you guys take a dub? Did you guys take an L? I mean, like you guys can see, I took a major dub right here. So yeah, enough talking. I'm out, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.